today's video, we are going to be doing some DIY projects in the kitchen. I am renting the place I'm currently in, and so I needed something that would be able to be removed whenever I left. And so I found this vinyl contact paper. It would give the effect of a marble countertop. I found it on Amazon for $21.90. I did end up having to buy 2 rolls. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, welcome. I do DIY projects from time to time and mix in some crafting and cleaning content. I have new videos out every Wednesday, so hit that subscribe button to get notified when the new video drops. Now let's see if I lose my patience with these countertops. For a final review, I didn't lose my patience too much. It did take me a good couple hours just because I'm a perfectionist, and of course there are some bumps, but we can always hide that with appliances and things. But in the end, I do love how it turned out, and it looks much cleaner than the countertops before. And then whenever we leave, they are easily, you just peel them back up and you're good to go. For $40, I would say it was totally worth it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button below for more DIY projects, Dollar Tree hauls, whatever we get up to. But I will see you guys next Wednesday. Have a good weekend. See ya.